for the benefit of the.
I'll speak first in Manipuri, then later on I'll speak a bit in English and Hindi also. Lenga Sina Tanzania Mudi, Koi Music, Manipur peace. Puratnamakan Honazari, Adu, like Tibahar Tarangan, the Karuba issue. Umum Chanpagi, burial issue Malapagi, the state Sida, around the Hospital, and Razamiangi, Aduma, Wapam Kratok, Namaraga, and by Nasi press conference of the Josephi. Ahan, a question comes in the Sarkar, a single side, the gate by Chap Chava. Local from Tupa, Torom Yama, state of peace for Nava, status in our Pegi, Laiva, Raja Sida, in the Tamna Lainava, Leptana, Okibata Homse, Onazaragi, and items again. Anishuka, Garan Hokiva, burial ground issues in that. I query High Court. The International Mediators Forum, the petitioner Oyaga, I pay court the Chiema Lapadi, court na Nasiayu, the special session of Hamaga, ruling Nama, Nasi Madame Lagre Marandi, Yamaruga, I quay higher by issues in a Maramaraga, I quay already law and order situation like Pusira. Here now, okay, and a social Nanava, Pegi Adumba, Rolingama, Nasi, Ayuk Lakre, High Court, High Court ruling Sira, I is operative partner, I am the again. Ahan Koina, number one, the state government, central government now, I quay law enforcing agencies, I say, Season Adaga, Laiba Lamsida, status quo, Lam land in question Sida, status quo maintained the Budavni Hava, Rulinga Manasi, Labre, Haipati, Burial the Bunena, Umpam Changanena, Leramutu Chanmea, Naroy, Madu. Hanagi, Laiba Pum, as it is, Karinta, Lindanam, Tamgadavni have a status quo maintained, Tamgadavni have Ama, Nasi, number one, ruling Amala, right? Second ruling Sina, I believe respondents in now, I the state government, central government, and all concerned now, I believe Laiba law and order problems see, Hajjana effective steps Lavaga. Control to Budavani and Bama. Anishuda. Aduga Home Subada, I think the central government, Amasung state government, the Laiba agreed party petitioner have Taraiba petition Z. Aduga concerned parties in Saboyamaki, Yenaga, I think Yarimakai, amicable. Buni Yanaba, Adumba, settlement number, whatever one of the money had not which is court orders, the Suyari has made items again, court order Nina, I am the Sumasi available with me, Adu Asida Vedana, Young Manuadi, Equigi, Government of India, Home Ministry, the Gate, Appeal Lama, Home Minister, Honorable Home Minister for State, Sri Nityanand Rai. Appeal Lama, official Appeal Lama, Tarapaki Chiemsu, Appeal Punjare, Government of India say, Housing Laiva, last rights of mortal remains have Tare, Mompamsida, Appeal, Pupaki, Adumba, Laiva, issue say, must see peace and communal harmony maintained over the Tangadami, Adumana, Equity. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट साइड की स्टेट गवर्नमेंट साइड की चप चावा लौकटफम थोपा थोड़ा मैं लौकलगा यारी मते मैं यानबगी अदुगुमा सेटलमेंट अमा पुरनबगी satisfaction to all concerned होनगनी हैबसिमा सी अनि से अखोइना प्रेस की खुथांग प्रजा मियामदा यौंजनिगी हैबनि अदुना ngasi की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की मेन एमती कोर्ट की ऑर्डर बला प्रे हाइबा मफम सिदा lam sida अखोगी नी खरा अखोगी लाइखिग्रबा अदुगुमा मियोय खरा अदुगुमा होनगनी नतगा मोम चंगनी है तो मदु तो भी यारो है Thank you.